I'm trying to unplug the PTO wiring harness on a RZT2042002 in order to change the drive belt. I am unable to get the wiring harness unplugged.
Hello, Brent. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. There is a clip/tab on your wiring connector that prevents your wiring connector from accidentally disconnecting from your PTO clutch due to vibrations, etc. You can use a screwdriver to lift up on the clip/tab as you pull back on your connector to remove it.
I have tried that, but the connector seems to be stuck or in really tight. It hasn't been disconnected in 10 years.
There may be a buildup of corrosion or debris, preventing your connector from releasing. Do you have some WD-40?
Tried that already and it still won't budge.
You can use a small screwdriver to carefully and slowly pry it out. Pry slowly from side to side. At some point your connector may have overheated. Check to see if you have another connector at the opposite end of your pigtail.
I can get the screwdriver all around the socket, but I cannot get it to come out. No, there is not another connector on it.
Due to the cost of a new PTO clutch, you do not want to destroy your connector or the terminals in your PTO clutch. Have you considered cutting your wires, then splicing them back together after you are finished replacing your drive belt?
That is probably what I will have to do. I should cut the wires and splice on the wiring harness, not on the PTO side. Correct.
Correct. Allow yourself enough room to be able to get a good, secure splice on the wires. Mark your wires. This will prevent crossing your wires.
I will give that a shot. Thanks for your help.
You are very welcome. I do hope all goes well for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.